New York Attorney General Letitia James is back proving why black female prosecutors seemingly will always be Donald Trump's biggest weakness, as she's now made an announcement that has MAGA reeling, where she came out with the decision to not drop Trump's civil case, despite, for whatever reason, the president seemingly being, well, he won the election, so let's forget about all the evidence. Something I didn't understand personally because, getting 70 something million votes doesn't erase the mounds of evidence against you, but I digress. Ultimately, what Letitia James has decided is she will be waiting for the appeal court to make their decision, with her argument being a pretty common sense one that presidents are not immune from civil litigation. For those who might forget what this is from exactly, Trump was ordered to pay to the tune of $454 million in a civil fraud judgment, essentially where it was found that he would inflate the worth of his property and assets, net worth even, to garner better loans and deals from the banks. And though Trump has appealed this ruling, and the New York appeals courts indeed does seem at least receptive to potentially reversing the judgment. So either way it goes, it seems that what we know is Letitia James does not plan to make that decision for them. So only time will tell. What I will say is there is some precedence here for allowing it to continue. Bill Clinton, of course, might have heard of him. He was sued while he was in office. Presidents can be sued for unofficial acts, and these lawsuits can proceed while they're in office. It's not like it's going to really hinder their official duties. So there's not much reasoning to throw out Trump's case on the basis just of him winning the presidency, at least. Other things that are important to note when we consider these things is Trump isn't the only defendant found liable in this case. He's one of 15, so there's 14 others of whom Trump's presidency has no bearing on. So why would the whole case get thrown out because of one of 15? And it's also not like, again, a civil ruling really would affect his ability to be president, to do presidential things. So going forward, I think that this will make a good test of sorts to see how well the no one is above the law status quo in this country really holds up.